Okay, so let's flip two coins. We know that the sample space is HH, HT, TH, TT. Let A be the event that at least one head occurs. B be the event that at least one tail occurs. What is A and B? What is it? Yeah, A would be, it says at least one head, right? So it could be HH, right? It says at least one head, so it could be HT, it could be TH, right? At least one head. How about B? TT, TH, HT, right? Okay, so what is the intersection of A and B then? HT, TH. Now, can somebody describe A intersect B in words? How would you describe A intersect B in words? Yes, so it's the event that we get exactly one head and exactly one tail. Right? Okay, toss a die. The sample space would be 1 up to 6. A is the event that an even number occurs. So what is A? If A is the event that an even number occurs, then the A is given by 2, 4, and 6. So what is A complement? Was that? Yeah, A complement would be 1, 3, and 5. You're looking for the complement of A in the sample space, right? Sample space is the universal set when you look at the complement. Any questions on that? Okay, now let's toss 2 dice. If we toss 2 dice, let A be the event that the sum of the dice is 7, and B be the event that the sum is 6.
Are we saying that 1 and 6 is different from 6, 1?
Yes.
1, 6, 6, 1.
So for A, you can look at the table if you want. You're going to get basically a outcomes on a diagonal. So A is getting a sum of 7, right? So you can get it by either getting a 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, right? 3, 4. We can get 2, 5, and 1, 6. Right? And how about B? Is the event that we get a sum of 6. So then What do we get? 5-1, 4-2, 3-3, 2-4, 1-5, right? Is everybody okay with that? So what is the intersection of A and B? Null event, right? It's the null event. The intersection of A and B is the null event. So basically, you know, you cannot get a sum of 6 and 7 at the same time, right? Obviously. So these are disjoint or mutually exclusive events then. Any questions on that example? Null event is the empty event. Okay, you guys have any questions so far? No? Okay, so when you all these examples that I'm giving you, we are going to come back to these examples later on. We're going to use them in other problems. So you need to make sure that you understand all these examples. Okay, so if I ask you, for example, let's say you have an event A, which is the event of getting at least a 6 from one of the two dice. So what will be the event? You get at least a 6. Right? So what's the event? Say it again. Say it loud. Yeah, basically the last row together with the last column, right? Is everybody okay? So you have to be able to read the outcomes from the description of the event. Okay?